If you want to get slow motion videos right from your phone, here's how you can do it. And this method works on both Android and iPhone. So first you have to open your camera and look for slow motion. I'll go to more and I'll see slow motion there. If you don't see there, you can go to edit and add slow motion to your quick features. And then you have to select slow motion. And whenever you want to record slow motion videos, here's how you can just go to slow motion and record your video. And what if you don't have slow motion feature on your phone? Then you can fake it by using any editing software like CapCut, VN Video Editor or UCut. I'll use Audio Video Editor and Mixer application. You can search on Play Store and download it from here. You have to open it, and after opening it you have to give him some access like your gallery, notification, allow, and then you have to choose on which tools you want to work on. I'll go with video tools, and then you have to go to speed, and then you have to choose the video. I'll go with this one, and now I can simply reduce or increase speed by playing around with this circle. So if I set the speed to 75% and apply save, and from here you can choose output folder or even file name. I'll go done. I'll hit done, and now it will start converting it. And you can also run it in background by clicking on run in background. So that's how you can simply slow mo your videos like a pro. If this helped, like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for more tech videos like that.